All right, hey, I need your help. I was in Springfield, Illinois yesterday with a great group of government auditors doing a live Excel seminar, and they all have the exact same problem, and I do not know how to solve this problem. They have data that has complicated filters applied. It took forever to set this up, and they want to come here to B7 and have a way to cause everything that's currently checked become unchecked, and everything that is currently unchecked to become checked. They want to invert. They want to flip. I cannot find any way to do this. Right. And then question 2, which I suspect, I'm not sure, is related to question 1, is they have these 3 columns filtered, and they come here and they add some new calculation off to the side. And of course, because it's filtered, that calculation is only going to appear in the visible cells. Right. So I don't know exactly what this calculation is, but let's just put something in. All right, so they put this formula in, and now they need to filter by that new column, right? So the question is, currently the filter range is columns B, C, and D. How, without removing the current filters, can we add column A to that, right? And the one way to do it is to add the new calculation in the middle, right? But I'm not sure that that's something that we're allowed to do. It'd be really nice. Of course, with a Ctrl+T table, I could extend the table out there. But just this regular filter range, how do I add that new column in? And most importantly, the thing that I think would really make them all very happy, how can I come here to the department and invert? I don't know whether it's VBA. I don't know if there's some secret thing that I just can't think of. If you have a solution to this, down in the YouTube comments, let me know. Well, hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.